Hello. If you encounter this problem when opening a project while using Xcode, let's fix it together. The problem here is the file XYZ couldn't be opened because you don't have permission to view it. To fix this problem, we will do as follows. First, turn off the Xcode tool. Next, open the Settings section. Then, on the list of settings options on the left, find and select Privacy and Security. It has a hand icon. In the right-hand window, you find and select Full Disk Access. A new window will appear. Check if Xcode is in the list of tools. If it is there but disabled, just enable it. If not, you need to add Xcode to the list in this window. As you can see here, Xcode is not there yet, so I need to add it to this window. To add Xcode, click the Add button. Then the computer asks for security permission. You proceed to grant permission with your Mac password or fingerprint to continue. A new window appears. Type Xcode in the search box. Then select the Xcode tool in the results and click Open. And now, Xcode has appeared in the Tools window with full access to the drive. Remember to turn on Xcode permission. Don't turn it off. You are done. Now open Xcode and open any project to see if the error still appears. Now I will open a test file to show you. Great! Everything works as expected. So you have fixed the problem. If you find it useful, don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel to support me. Thanks for watching.